Hi, Tony Hayes from Kiss I Am, and I've got another little tip here. Now, if you're an experienced internet marketer, I would imagine that you know about these services. Now, if you want to, whenever you're creating some content for your website or your blog or something, the good thing to do is to get it to ping it immediately. Now, if you're using WordPress, it's got an automatic pinging function in there. And what you need to be careful with there is that you don't, every time you make a correction, say for example you just made a post and you see for example that you've got an image missing, or you've got a spelling mistake, or you want to just go in and correct some things and maybe change your layout a little bit, every time that you post it will ping again. So what you need to do is to get a ping optimizer plugin, and I'll cover that in a different video. But say for example you create a video and you want to get some people to notice that, you want to get it indexed quickly, for example. Okay, so what we can do is let me just go over to YouTube and I'll find one of my videos.com. What we can do is we can ping it through online pinging services, which are free, and it sounds out, it just sounds out to a whole bunch of websites and helps to get the content noticed and indexed quite quickly by the search engines. Right, now let's see. Yeah, this one. This is a recent one, so I want to do that one. So I can copy the URL from my video here and come over here to this is pingler.com. Oops, put the URL. So what I can do here, make money online. Put your keywords in here. Oops, I'm using a different keyboard today. Okay, that would do. So we can choose a category, and this would be internet and online. Sometimes I will do information. Now I already pre-filled this captcha code because sometimes it can be really difficult, especially when you're doing videos and they seem to go wrong. So anyway, just click that and you can see it's initiating the ping, so it's going to tell on all those services that hey, there's some content online, and you see it's in the queue here, and we'll just watch this coming down a little bit. It should come down to number 5 or 6 in a second, and it pings to 82 services. So this helps to get your content indexed. Now if you've got something like a YouTube video, I mean Google is crawling that all day long anyway, so it's not going to make a huge difference there. And let's just go over to another one while we're here. This one is called pingot.com, and this is more for blog names, so I'll just put in the blog name, kissim.org. Keep it stupidly simple. Oops, I'll do that again. And I'll put simple internet marketing tips and tricks. Now I don't really think that's a keyword that people are going to be searching for, but anyway, I'll put it out there. And your XML feed, if you're using WordPress, chances are your XML feed will be something like this. Right, now you can select categories, so I'll select general and I'll leave it at that for now and go. Connection failed, this one's done, this one's done, this one's done. So you can see it's gone and pinged all those services right there. Let's get rid of that one. Let's see what's happening here. Something happening there. Let's just say 6 CIQUU. Let's go and ping. Again, the captcha code. This is what I'm talking about when you're doing videos. These kind of things happen. That's life. I don't know why that's not going to do it. Oh, your domain has already been pinged in the last 3 days, so it's obviously gone and done now. So let's do this one again. think it's Pingler. One of these offer a service that will go and automatically ping content for you every few days. You just have to go in there and tell it the URLs that you want to have pinged. I think it only costs, you know, a few dollars, under $10 per month. Can't remember exactly, but that probably is just going away and doing stuff. So I'll go over to another one, and let's see. We'll go over here. Blog title, AdSense tips, finding high paying niches. Now if I wanted to sort of optimize for a keyword, I wouldn't be doing that, but anyway, no big deal. Submit, and I like this one. You can see the progress. There we go. And proceed to step 2 to put that code on your website. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do that. So that one is blogpingtool.com, right? And this one, I wonder what's happened with this now. So it should have sent to 82 services. They're probably going to say that I've been done in the last 3 days. So it's obviously done it. And if I go back here, no, I can't. Yeah. Okay, let me just see in here, latest pings. I'm not gonna, maybe I didn't save it in the right category here. Anyway, it should have been done. Usually it's quite good, that one, so I haven't had a problem with it before. Now, if we come over here to Pingomatic, blog name, put in here different this time, case internet marketing, and I'll take that, and I will do that, and let's just check all, send the pings. Okay, so they're saying I pinged them a few minutes ago. I did that just before I came in, so let's just change that over here to this. This video for my introduction video for my new product, so let's just see how that works. Now in YouTube you can find an RSS feed, but I'm not going to do that right now. Just send the pings, and there we go. Just a little tip. You know, it's not huge information that somebody would be charging a lot of money for or anything like that, but that's the whole point of the series, that we can just go ahead and get some good tips and tricks out there so that people know maybe a variation of different services that they can use. So that's it for this video. Thank you.